Hey everybody, today we're kicking off phase 2 of our backyard landscape makeover. In a previous video, we put some grass seed down so we can step up our lawn game a little bit. We are gonna start with putting a landscape bed right here. Step number 1, you're gonna need a design. I've got mine right here. Let's take a closer look. All right, y'all, here's my overall site plan. We're gonna have a large landscape bed over here, some flagstones, because we always walk out here, so it's getting worn down a little bit. There is a water channel here, so I need to make sure that I don't put anything over there except for grass and maybe rocks if I wanted to. And then we're gonna have some beds that come out of the forest a little bit too. This is gonna take time. It's not gonna happen overnight. We're actually gonna zoom into this one little spot right here, and I just wanna concentrate on this part of the design. We're gonna add a Japanese boxwood, flowers, whatever I can find at the store, you know, maybe some tulips or daffodils, some bulb type flowers. We are going to go with a blue star juniper to give it some blue color here, Mugo Pine, which is a dark green evergreen, and then a Japanese red maple to finish off a nice, interesting ornamental tree in the middle. All right, y'all, step number 2. You got to translate from paper to the real ground. I always start off with a hose to kind of map out the perimeter of my garden beds. And so you don't have to get it perfect right away, but you can move it around as much as you like until you're happy. All right, step number 3. Once you get the hose looking like you want it, you've got to get rid of the grass. So in another video, I used cardboard to smother out the grass. Great technique, love it, it's organic, all that good stuff. But in this case, we're gonna do something a little bit different. I actually need this grass, so I'm gonna dig it up as fresh cut sod, and we're gonna put it around the perimeter of the bed. All right, y'all, we got a Japanese bloodgood and a Yoshino white cherry tree, and it actually fits in our car. All right, come on, we broke one branch, awesome. Okay, there it is, it's in. Hey, real quick, y'all, did you know that when you hit the like button, you're helping to feed Rusty the squirrel? He loves lots of walnuts and pecans. All right, my favorite part, we need to get these plants in the ground. But, hey, let's take a close look at all the plants that I did buy. First off, let's start with our tree. This is an ornamental tree. It's one of my favorite. I love getting these in the ground. They're very slow growing. It's a red Japanese maple. Here's the back in case you want to dig in on all the goodies. It is our ornamental tree, and it's got purplish leaves. It's going to be beautiful. Next up, sorry, no tag for this one, but it is the infamous Japanese boxwood. And I've actually brought this all the way from Texas. We're in North Carolina right now. But it's been one of my bonsai trees, but it's gonna go in the ground and be a little interesting piece as well. Everybody knows these. What is this thing called? The blue star juniper, I wanna say? Yes, blue star juniper. Well, there's the price. And a little pokey, but also it's got some good blue color. I love these a lot. This is the Mugo Pine. So very hardy, resilient, good color as well. These flowers right here smell amazing. Hang on, I'm not an expert. Where's that tag? There we go. There, you can see what that is. A hyacinth purple. I thought it was an iris, but it's that. It's gonna be some bulbs. Got to give this thing some extra flowers, and it's early spring. We've got some daffodils, yellow. So that is the plant haul. All right, y'all, I have my rock. It's been sitting here for a really long time. This is exactly where this Japanese maple is gonna go. I gotta cover a very interesting topic. Never read the instructions on planting this. They say plant the bucket height. You're gonna be planting it way too low. Little quote I need to give to you. If you plant it high, it'll grow to the sky. If you plant it low, it won't grow. So first of all, when you pull these out of the pot, where's the actual top of the root flare here? I'm just gonna rake off some of this to show you how deep the root flare actually is. So as I continue to pull dirt away here, the root flare is about, that's the first root right here. Okay, so right here, it was planted 2 inches to, they had a lot of extra on top. So clear away the top. Okay, second thing, I also want to plant it high. So this is actually not very high at all. So I'm not even gonna dig a hole. We're gonna put it right here, and then I've got some soil from the woods and some potting soil, and we'll mix it up, mound it up, and then over time the bed will be a little bit more, a little higher, more raised. Another thing I want to encourage you is 3-dimensional landscaping. It doesn't have to be flat and perfect. In fact, giving things more mounds and some hills in your landscape is going to give it more interest in 3 dimension. We are going to loosen up the soil a little bit. Tease the bottom a little bit. Just a little. That's another thing that lowers it. We have it. Forest soil. And then we're going to use some of the potting soil. And then mix it up. Okay, I'm going to mound that like this. And I need more dirt, so let's go get more dirt from the woods. Dirt bucket number 2. All in one spot. Now, we are going to keep borrowing dirt. Okay, so now, place your other plants. I know that the blue Juniper goes here by the plan, and the Mugo Pine kind of towards the back. Japanese Boxwood is going to end up over here. The good side facing forward. These are just going to be in the front. Okay, we're going here. Start with the blue Juniper. I'm going to dig a huge hole, but I do want to dig some. All right, well, you need a pickaxe. I don't have one of those. I'm going to share this with all these guys. Let's go with that. Put it in. The best foot forward, like that. All right. Okay. It might go right here. And hence, look at the crazy roots on that. Jeez, the rain is all it did. I think that is definitely the front here. Mix. Okay, Mugo right here. This Mugo needs to be not too close to the edge. Okay, that's it. Now, these are going to be more of a mixed kind of thing. I'll break them apart. So we want to dig our row all the way to over here. All right, y'all. Got another round of forest dirt. So that was 3 buckets total. Forest dirt. That's going to be a lot happier place. Over here. All right. Now, fitting our curve. Final step and this bed's gonna be done. I'm gonna get this mulch down.
Give us the gloves, y'all.
Last touch, y'all. Gotta get a boulder in here. Whew, y'all. All that hard work, this bed is done. I'm gonna water it in now. Well, I couldn't do it. I had to have a different color mulch. The cypress, while it's really resilient and bug resistant and all that fun stuff, I had to go with the hardwood mulch so it has a different color. All right, y'all, this one section now is completed. And we have a lot more to go, so I'll be sharing the entire journey of the full backyard landscape makeover, so stay tuned. There's gonna be more coming. If you like this video, like and subscribe, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful day, and we'll see you next time.